Happy Sunday! Ayan. Tapos ko lang muna yung mga gawaing bahay ng mami bago mag-video. Ayan ang ating bird cage. Malinis na. Ayan o. Good morning. Pinalitan natin yung newspaper na nasa ilalim. Tapos, i-update ko kayo sa ating saging. Nakapagdilig na rin pala ako. Hanggang sa ang ating floor. Yan yung ating saging, guys. Ano siya, oh. Pag lumaki pa yan, ipapaganito natin para hindi siya mahulog sa baba. Yan ang ating saging, guys. Late nga tayo nagising ngayon, 7:22. Day off namin ni Daddy Marky, Sunday. Di ba pumunta kami sa Christmas party ng friend niya kahapon. Antok na antok ako while nag-movie, kaya iniwan ko na siya sa sala. 1:30 na ata siya pumasok. Ako 10:48. Ay, tulog pa din ang daddy. Update sa mga huling nabili natin. Ang ating gerbera ay buhay pa. Yung dahlia na nabili ko, wala na. Tapos mga bougainvillea sa likod. Tapos yung DIY natin na mga elk horn, ayan pa sila. Okay pa din. Ayan guys, si Daddy Marky ay minasahe tayo kasi ang dami nating lamig sa katawan. Ayun naman, kuha tayo ng kalamansi. Harvestin ko na to. See? Magluluto tayo ng barbecue. Yun natin yung maliit. Sayang naman. Sayang yung maliit. Kaya ko kinuha.
You missed out on the best food ever last night. Wow.
What did you eat? Nandyan sa video. Tuloy pa kaya yung carrot? Sabi ni Daddy. Dandahan kami! Saan natin yung i-mute sa akin? Air fryer. Magtira ka ng air fryer.
Mahal pang chicken sa ref, di.
Okay.
Kakabili lang ni Daddy mo. Bili ng chicken para sa'yo.
Aww. Thank you, Daddy.
Oh.
For the chicken, Dad. What's the... Oh,
Wings.
really?
Hot and spicy wings.
From Gateway?
$5.
Wow, that's a lot.
It's already marinated. Hot and spicy.
Wow. Where'd you buy it, Dad?
From
Guys, ayan na ang ating barbecue chicken. Luto na natin. Galigtan. On the way kami sa Fisherman's Road to check Carlton. Nagte-training ang Carlton doon right now. Sana makapasok or mapanood natin sila.
Gee, Amanda, that Charlie's injured again.
Time check 1:47.
Charlie's not here. He is injured.
Why?
He injured his knee.
Really? He's always injured.
So did Chin Cotta.
Josephine, the one in the kitchen hand, showed me yesterday. 3 teams ng footy ang nandito sa Queensland right now. Western Bulldog, Richmond, and Carlton. Ayun, kakatapos lang namin kumain ng chicken and then, let's go, Daddy Marky rush. Yan na, oh. So busy! Ayun sila, love.
Carlton.
Yeah.
I want to see the Sunshine Coast.
Go, Carlton! AFL Oval. It's my first time in here. They're wearing their Carlton thing. We should wear Carlton.
I know.
Where's my boyfriend? Where is he? Just 8. Lang natin dinala yung football. Hello. Ano ko? Hey, hang on. Hindi pa niya ilagay.
Yep, looks like a problem. Hey mate, how are you?
What's his name?
There you go. Hello,
Jack. This one. Yan ang aking boyfriend guys. Patrick, number 9. What's his name?
Excuse us, Adam. Can we get a photo?
yeah, sure.
All in.
Maybe hang on, please.
Papirma ko yung luwad ng phone ko guys. Nandyan na si Patty. Handpick na si Boyfie.
Hey, make sure you got mate.
Good. Hey mate, thanks. Hey, how you going? Hey guys, how are you? Thanks. Grab a photo as well if that's okay with you. Alright. So you turn around. Thanks mate. Thanks Patty. Cheers mate.
Thank you.
There you go, good stuff. G'day, how are you?
I'm the fan girl.
Thanks mate. Thanks Patty. Cheers mate. There you go, good stuff. G'day.
Si Nine ng crush niya guys. That's Harry. Hi, si guys. Yaman niya yung phone ko. Yung heart ko guys. Oh my gosh. That's Harry.
Okay, let's see them all again. They're all getting in these cars.
That's their service, guys. That's what they said. Alauna pala yung practice nila, guys. Hindi nila in-inform ang mga tao na may practice sila ng ganong oras. So, 2:00 yun yung fun... Ano tawag nun, Amanda? Fun signing? Fun, ano? May pangit sa likod. Totoo. Ganda, oh. Close kayo. Bye, Patty! Andun sila sa ground. May ginagawa lang
coffee.
You know what, Dad?
And we are on the way to Lifeline again, guys. I don't know what we're gonna buy, but we're just gonna check because they're gonna close 4 p.m. Lifeline here in Kanda Park. Ganda ko naman dyan. Team Black, Daddy Marky and I. Team Black. Yesterday we are Team Red. Last time, Team White with Amanda. We should wear our Carlton thing. Alam niyo, nakalimutan namin magdala ng ano-ano, ng sombrero, ng t-shirt, na ipapapirma, gano'n.
Always next time.
Napapirma ko yung phone ko, yun lang.
Next year we will get there earlier.
Yeah. True. Let's go to the market and wait for them. Let's have lunch in the market. Isn't it, baby? Fisherman's.
And buy plants.
We didn't say that. But you gave me an idea, so... Lifeline. Suki kami ng Lifeline. Time check 3:09. Ang gusto sanang gawin ni Daddy today is mag-watch ng movie and pumunta ng Tiwantin para sa Christmas Carol. Christmas Carol thing, but maulan kaya is he gonna park?
Is he parking?
Maulan kaya hindi na lang kami pumunta. Oh, they're shortcutting. ay. Sabi ko ano na lang tayo gawin. Lifeline and then magpa-plaza kami mamaya. And Daddy wants to watch movie and Amanda.
But we can wait for it and watch it
next time.
in Netflix.
True! Dad,
Get on the big screen.
Ayan, dito na tayo sa loob.
Preso, ba't ganyan? Maganda pa sana ilagay sa room.
Yan yung mga pine ko, nilagyan lang ng design, tas $2 na. Benta natin. Ang cute sana ng mga to, mahal naman, 15 isa. Sabi ko kay Amanda, pang wine ni Daddy Marky, ang laki. Tawa siya, guys. Love! Love! May music kasi, guys. Plaza na kami, guys. Yun sa Amanda. Ganda.
Guys, bumili si Daddy ng donut. Thanks, Dad.